Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Stay Outside and Explore. What is it, you may ask? It's another package from Amazon. I had, what I should say is, Amazon Prime had a couple of specials, I think it was Tuesday and Wednesday. So I cashed in on one of the deals. So you're wondering, what is it? All right, drum roll, please. It's a nice day today, by the way. It's supposed to get hot, but right now it's nice. All right, take my trusty razor blade. Ooh, it's bubble wrap. There you go. Oh, it's a box inside a box. Look at that. A box inside of a box. What is it? What is it? Come on, what is it? The temptation is going. It's a plug. It's a Come on, I gotta get it out. I gotta get it out of here. It's a handheld underwater metal detector. So you can go underwater and find any good treasures. And this is just the plug that goes in. So there it is. A nice underwater metal detector. Actually, I got a good deal on it, so no complaints there. And I will try it out. It's good for 100 feet underwater. Got a little protective thing on here. Now we can take that off. So, yeah. Gonna have to see if I can find any good treasures underneath the lake and anywhere that I can go. So, all right. I will give you updates on this. And I can do a video. I'm also ordered, but it didn't come, a cover. Even though this camera is supposed to be waterproof, I got a housing for it that's not coming for another couple of days. So once I get that, I can take the camera and this, and we'll go a little scuba diving. Well, not scuba diving, but snorkeling or going underwater to see if I can find any lost treasures. So, all right, that should do it. But yeah, that's what was in this box, is a little handheld metal detector. So awesome. Nice and not too big. Carry it on my kayak and do a little bit of detecting. So, all right, stay tuned for some more videos. I appreciate everybody watching. And if you like more of what I'm putting out, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will have some more videos coming up real soon. Thanks for watching and have a great day.